back again talking about confidence through balance today. And we've been talking a lot about ankles up to now. So I have got a little surprise for you. We don't just work on ankles at seated yoga dancing, we also work on our toe manipulation as well. So to manipulate the toes, I just take my shoes off doing this. I won't take my socks off in case there's anybody watching this that really does not like feet. But you'll get the idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to move our toes one by one. So having our toes on the ground, I'm going to do the exactly same thing with my fingers so you can see how my toes should be moving. Okay, so we're going to bring all of our toes up in the air. We're then going to drop our little toe, our next toe, our next toe, our next toe, our big toe. Hold it. We're then going to bring it back up. Big toe, next toe, next toe, next toe, little toe, and hold it. And squishing them all around. Fantastic. Good job. Good job. Again, wiggle them out before you stand out.